Okay, so what should I do?
Should I be just standing like this?
I need to keep my bottle, please. Can you pass me my